Yes, sir. We back. One stop drip shop unboxing in the band. Dope. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. You see how we coming, you know what I mean? You already know what we got in store, some Dior. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all niggas stopping by and all that. You know what I mean? Before I start this shit off, man, I'm gonna shout out some niggas that been commenting and showing love, you heard? Shout out Big Jake. He said where I been. I've been getting to the money, gang. You know how I'm coming, you feel me? Shout out Daniel M. He wanna know the IG. Shit, I need 100 subs for that. Pardon me, I need 1,000 subs for that. I'm trying to get 1,000 subs, man. Niggas start going live and shit. And we got one more, Chasey Chase. I think he set the channel hard, you know what I mean? He ain't lying. But y'all go fuck with all of them. Them niggas show love, they support, man. Real niggas do real things. So, yeah, let's get into this shit. That's what y'all came for, man. Let's get into this shit. Hopefully I get this motherfucker over. We gonna do it like this, then. Oh, shit, man. I should have pre-opened that shit for the vid. Dior, stop making hard-ass boxes to get into, man. What the fuck, bro? I can't even get into this motherfucker out of bed. I hope this shit don't fuck my video up. Yeah, LDR box, man. LDR box. But here we go, man. I just had to struggle with this Dior box. Went 3 rounds with this shit. But you know I'm coming. We winning, nigga. Rub it for good luck like I do your girl butt. Alright. One stop drip shop. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yeah. You dig. Hey, shits, man. They calm. I ain't even gonna act like they crazy or nothing like that. Souls is out, so you know I wore these shits already. Just in case y'all motherfuckers. Hold on. I know I had the souls out. Yeah. So y'all don't think Hefe be buying fake feets or some shit, or be buying feets with the souls out. Nah, nigga. I take them shits out myself. You know what I mean? Word, but let's get into it, man. This shit got some reflect on it. As you can see, it come with 2 laces. I ain't spanked the black lacing yet, so I don't know how that shit coming. But I did it with the white, and I did it right according to the fit I had on. You know what I mean? So you got some reflect all around this shit, and it do reflect in the nighttime. These shits ain't nothing crazy, man. I just had a hard-ass shirt. I had a hard-ass shirt that I wanted to wear with it. I'm gonna show y'all boys the shirt right now. Yeah. PAYCATION World Tour. You feel me? I'm gonna do a whole separate vid on this shirt, because this shit is crazy. You see, I wore it already. I'm giving y'all shit after I wear it, like y'all know exactly what it's meant for. But we gonna get into that on another vid, man. But if y'all seen the pants, matter of fact, I'm gonna post the pants, gang. I gotta post the pants. You feel me? Let me see what else y'all I can give y'all about these shits, man. I would give these like a probably like a 7. Ain't nothing too crazy. I don't love them. You know what I mean? My next vid, one of my Levon vids, I'm about to post my Batman joints. I fuck with way more than I fuck with these. But give it some time though. Like I said, I only wore these shits once, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes I wear shit a few times, then I fall in love with it. But yeah, I wore these shits once. What's the name of these motherfuckers? Just in case y'all interested. What they the B30 calf mesh. You feel what I'm saying? B30 calf mesh. Something light, you know what I mean? Something light. But it is what it is for these, man. Just bringing y'all the drip, man. And I'm bringing y'all this shit consistently. Like I said, my goal is 1,000 subs right now. Really a mil, but not crawl before you walk. You feel me? So we gonna work on this 1,000. Y'all niggas gonna help me get there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be standing on y'all back, but y'all definitely gonna lift the one-stop drip shop to the top. You heard? These niggas be pump faking on this shit, man. I'm bringing y'all niggas heat. Y'all come up here, all y'all gotta do is go buy this shit. You see I'm posting it, go buy it, nigga, because you definitely gonna be in tune and on time. Especially now I'm bringing y'all these shits back to back. Drip Shop bringing vids back to back. You heard? I was dropping like bird shit last week, nigga. Randomly. All types of times in the morning, in the day. Start even watching some of my vids so I can get better. I realized I don't even be talking about the sneakers in these shits or the drip. I just be popping my shit. Y'all niggas subbed up for it, so, you know what I mean? But without further ado, man. Matter of fact, I already gave y'all the grade, so I ain't got to give y'all the grade. I'm going to just tell y'all play ahead to say it. Play ahead to stay ahead. Money you say today going to say your ass tomorrow, and that's real shit. You know what I'm saying? Wait your turn, little homie. Don't go do no crazy shit for a pair of these, you know what I'm saying? Just stack your bread. Not spending all that money on bitches and dumb shit, man. Stack your bread, nigga. You feel me? A little bit every week gonna stack up, nigga. I'ma teach y'all niggas how to motherfucking get this shit too, man. I ain't just gonna be up here showing y'all this shit. Me giving y'all a good game to make sure y'all get this shit, you feel me? Word. But yeah, man. These is it. Let me give y'all one more tour of these shits before I end the vid. I don't really got nothing special to say about them. Like I said, I bought them for a hard-ass PAYCATION shirt. I mean, this vid is sponsored by them boys too. So, yes sir. One-stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando player at the stairhead. Brought y'all the B30s, you know what I'm saying? Black and silver, I would say. So let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. I'll be reading the motherfucking comments. If I don't answer, I might answer in the vid, nigga. You know? But yeah, we about this shit, man.